Hello everybody, today we're going to be making a dish called Maglouba, which translates to upside down in Arabic, so we can call it upside down rice cake for today because you're going to see how it turns out at the end. So first we're going to wash off your meat in boiling water to get rid of all of the zanakha. Like I said before, this is the nastiness, get rid of all that. So clean it, and then you're going to put it in a separate pot, a pressure cooker to be exact, and I've added a bunch of spices, which are going to be salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, 7 spices seasoning, and a pinch of ginger, and a pinch of cinnamon. It's actually funny, you could see that I misspelled that right there on purpose. And add bay leaves, super nice. So yeah, if you want to go back and catch that, you definitely can. The cinnamon label. Anyways, don't tell my mom. Put it in the pressure cooker for 25 minutes. It'll make a bunch of steam once you release it, and it should look like this. The meat should be nice and brown. And we're going to add a little bit of ghee to another pot, and you're going to pour in all of your peas. And you're just going to mix those around. Make sure all of them get cooked. We're going to add a tablespoon of salt and continue mixing. You can get these from the freezer at your grocery store and keep them frozen because it's a lot less arduous than baking them out yourself. But yeah, let's move on to our rice. My mom likes to mix her rice, Egyptian rice and American rice. So let that clean in boiling water first for 25 minutes. And while you're doing that, go back to your peas, start assembling the cake. Add your meat with your peas and the spices you had added, the vegetable broth seasoning. But yeah, make your meat as close to a circle as possible. Add your rice, and then add the meat broth, the leftover meat broth that you didn't throw away. Definitely don't throw it away. Right on top. And pour it all the way until you get a knuckle deep thick of liquid from the rice. Let everything settle a little bit and cook that on high with a lid on. And once you see the rice start peeking through the cooked rice, we're going to move it all the way down to X low, which is just as low as possible that your gas can go. Or you can use a heat diffusion device or pot that my mom put in the upper left-hand corner. And once that's dried all up, it's time to do a little drum sesh on top of the pot to make it come out so perfectly like this. And this is our beautiful upside down rice cake that comes out, and you can top with pine nuts and almonds or however the heck you say it. But yes, look at that beautiful garnish, and it's awesome. Happy upside down caking. Bye bye.